Burwell, Nebraska on the Calamus River with my two beautiful daughters. And one of the most important part of natural medicine theory is the idea of solitude or silence or stillness. All the world's religions and all the relaxation concepts, the more we understand about immunology and neurobiology and endocrinology and the nervous system, everybody's starting to say the same thing. That basic idea is that when we're in a place of solitude or stillness or peace or inner peace, we find that the innate healing mechanisms of the body and the mind start to wake up. Chinese medicine, this is called awakening the hidden dragon. We awaken the hidden potential in each cell, each brain cell, each immune cell. Every cell of our entire body becomes potentiated and things activate. But the basic ingredient in this process is really not necessarily anything to do with diet or lifestyle. It has to do with this: solitude, peace, stillness, native prairie, right? Living in solitude, the river, living in solitude. All the great philosophers and healers and mystics throughout all the world's different traditions all arrive at the same thing. When we want answers, when we want to heal, when we want to be inspired, when we want to restore, when we want to try to do something that's challenging, or when we just want answers, or when we're seeking comforting about lost loved ones or traumas, it's always about solitude. That doesn't mean we have to live in a cave, but we do have to honor the fact that we have to take moments of our day, moments of our week, maybe moments of our year or month to just pause and have solitude. And we don't have to be the world's greatest meditators or relaxation experts. One easy way to do that is come into nature, and something happens when you're in the solitude of nature. So here we are. That's why we do all our vacations in nature, me and the girls, teaching them about healing and having fun, playing in the water.